Today I am making a burrito bowl with Gardein chicken. This dish uses bird's eye cauliflower rice, which you microwave before adding to your dish. It uses bird's eye corn, which you can use the yellow corn, or I'm using the gold and yellow corn today, which I like. It adds a little bit of more variety to the dish. I'm just using a simple taco seasoning, which you can purchase in a little packet, or you can make your own. I'm chopping it off with some cherry tomatoes and some fresh avocado and some cilantro. But again, you can kind of swap it out with whichever ingredients you choose. And then of course, we have our Gardein to top it all off to add some protein. This dish has some nice Latin flavors. It has a lot of freshness. You've got some fresh crunch from the vegetables on top. You've got some creaminess from the avocados, and you've got some warmth from the cauliflower and the spices. It's just a great fresh dish that has lots of different textures and flavors that all come together for a super satisfying meal.